Hello, my name is Archana Mukherjee and I would be showing you two projects today using Tubby Craft products. I am delighted to be on their design team and super excited to walk you through the tutorial. The first project is a baby girl tag. I am going to do some ink blending using hot pink, magenta and lilac purple Tubby Craft dye ink on some circular shaped cardstock using a blending tool and a blending foam. You can see that though this is a baby girl tag, I am using some bold and bright colors. That is because my inspiration for the color theme was a pink silk sari. For my elements, I used the Tubby Craft It's a Girl clear stamp set. I am using the big solid circle stamp from the same stamp set and stamping some sticky ink onto my tag. And for doing this, I am using the Tubby Craft small acrylic block. I am going to now sprinkle some gold embossing powder and heat set it. I am doing this because I wanted to give this tag a very traditional Indian look. The heat did warp my paper, but I put it under some heavy books to flatten it out. I die cut some vellum in a smaller circular size and stuck it on the background paper using liquid glue in the center. I stamped the baby girl shoe image using jet black Tubby Craft ink and colored it with my alcohol markers. And I stuck it on the vellum piece using foam tape. Next, I am decorating it further using some gold sequins. Using the hole that I punched in earlier, I have looped some pink and gold twine and tied a jute twine across it. I am stamping the sentiment from the same stamp set using jet black Tubby Craft dye ink and 2 inches by 4 inches acrylic block. I have fishtailed both the edges and I will fill the word girl with my gold gel pen. Now the sentiment is ready to go on the tag with some foam tape. I am also adding some glossy accents on my baby shoe for added interest. This is one of my most favorite methods to give more dimension and interest to my projects. And this completes project number 1. The second project is also a tag but for a baby boy. I have stamped my image from the Tubby Craft It's a Boy stamp set using their jet black ink and also colored it with my alcohol markers. Using the Tubby Craft DIY background clear stamp set, I will create a background for my tag. I am going to alternate the solid stripe and the stripe with a zigzag line in the middle. And I will be using 2 different inks for this. For the first stripe, I am using some aqua blue Tubby Craft dye ink and I will stamp it with a distance of almost 1 inch. For the solid stripe, I used Chinese blue Tubby Craft dye ink. I will stamp it twice because I want a darker color. For this tag, I was heavily inspired by the naval colors in design. Hence, I decided to make stripes and chose this color combination. Once the background is ready, I am sticking the baby boy's shoe using some foam tape. I will stamp the sentiment from the same stamp set on some yellow cardstock using Tubby Craft jet black ink and the 2 by 4 inches acrylic block. I have die cut my sentiment with an oval stitch die. I will stamp some small stars on my tag using lead grey Tubby Craft ink to give more pattern to my background. On my oval sentiment, I will repeat the procedure using the big star and small stars from the same stamp set. Once I am done decorating my sentiment, I am sticking it on my tag using some foam tape. The die cut tag already comes with a punched hole, so I looped a baby blue ribbon and tied it with an off-white twine to complete the look. I also decided to add some blue sequins around my tag. Lastly, I'm again adding some glossy accents like my previous tag to add more interest. And this completes the second project as well. I hope you like both my tags. Please do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tubby Craft videos.